Hey, start an online business. I'm going to show you how to start your own online business. And I'm going to give you 10 reasons why you should do it right now and why you should start one online. How about this? Let's start with number one. You can work from home. You know, the last couple of years have taught us that we need more time with friends, family, and there's a lot in this world that we want to do that we haven't been doing, and we've been sacrificing our life for something that's not ultimately fulfilling for us. So when you can work from home, you can do your own hours, you can use that refrigerator, watch more TV, and how about making more money? Work part-time. Now, the online industry is going to give you the possibility to work part-time because you don't have to do it full-time. A couple of hours a day to build your income, and starting off the business can be a game changer for you. Part-time. Make passive income. Now, many people think the only way to make passive income is to own a ton of real estate. Now, to get into real estate, you could possibly spend thousands of dollars on a property just to do that, only to make a couple $100s, and it can take years, and multiple properties to even get to the point where you start making serious passive income. What if I could show you exactly what you need to do to start making passive income online today? Now, no equipment. Now, many times when you go into something, you have to buy a ton of equipment. You don't know how to use the equipment. You got to do a long, extensive training for the equipment. There's a lot of technical things involved. What if I could show you how to start an online business where there's no equipment that's necessary, no inventory? It's not cute to walk around with tons of inventory that you're not moving. Look at Amazon, they're moving billions and billions of dollars on a daily basis. It's all digital, no employees. Wow, I ran a company for years with employees and it gave me a huge headache. Lots of work, hours and hours, no time for myself, no time freedom. What if I could show you a business that you can help people around the country and not have any employees to deal with? Low upfront investment. Now, to start a franchise, most franchises, you're gonna start out anywhere from $500,000 to several millions of dollars, and this can take years before you see a penny. Starting an online business today gives you the ability to do a low investment and get a huge return. Successful track record. Our company's been in business over 30 years, and it has helped just our team over 100,000 people across the country find success online. Even if you haven't been successful in the past, now's the time you can start something new. No license. Some of these businesses, you need licenses, and this can take you years before you can start getting money. And by that time, who wants to wait that long? You need money right now. You need to change your life right now. As you can see, you click on the link below. We have a free webinar that's going to explain everything you need to know about starting a successful online business. And this is going to help you become financially free so that you can become debt free. You can help your family spend more time with your family, travel, and do what you want when you want. So click on the link below and get access to the free webinars and explain everything you need and answer all your questions. I'm Antonio Smith. I'll see you on the inside. Click the link. Woo!